Hello students. Let me move on to the next problem. This is also important problem asked in VTU examination under module number 1. So I'll take the problem. A 100 Newton vertical force. 100 Newton vertical force. Vertical force is applied to the end of a lever which is attached to a shaft as shown in figure. Determine A. Moment of force about O. B. The horizontal force applied at A. The horizontal force applied at A, which creates the same moment about O. Which creates the same moment about O, and the figure is given. The shaft this is point A, this is O, and this angle is given as 60 degree, and this distance is given as 24 meters, and one more force of vertical force is given as 100 Newton. This is the given problem. So in this particular problem is asking two things. This is the lever shaft system shown in figure. For this system we have to determine moment about O, and also we have to determine the horizontal force applied at A point, which create the same moment whatever we determined in previous A. For we have to compute force required. So first thing is free body diagram. For this free body diagram, see, this is point A and this is point O. At point A we are having vertical force of 100 Newton. So I want to determine, the first thing is A is moment about O. For moment about O, m naught equal force into perpendicular distance. See, this is the force. For force, horizontal is the perpendicular distance. So I know this inclination is 60 degree, and this particular span of OA is given as 24 meters. So how to determine horizontal distance? As well as you can determine vertical distance using this triangle. So use this trigonometric function. First apply cos theta. Cos theta equals adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is unknown, hypotenuse is given. Apply cos 60, you are getting OA, you take this as B. you take cos theta equals adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is OB, hypotenuse is 24. Therefore OB equal cos theta, theta value 60. OB is 24 cos 60. OB equals 24 cos 60. Similarly, if you do sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AB. AB by hypotenuse. AB values are known here. Hypotenuse is 24. What is AB? AB equals 24 sin theta. Theta is 60. 24 sin 60. So we are getting this as 24 cos 60 horizontal component. Vertical is 24 sin 60. Now we require M0. M0 equals this force 100 Newton. With respect to O, it will turn in which direction? Clockwise. Therefore, 100 multiplied by 24 cos 60. Clockwise positive. It will rotate towards the same direction clockwise. So, M0 equals how much?
1200.
200 Newton meter clockwise. This is over. Next B. What is B? The horizontal force applied at A, which creates the same moment of 1200 Newton at O. For this, so here O you are having M0 of 1200 Newton meter. For this, so it is clockwise rotating. You have to apply which type of force? Horizontal, right side. So this is Fx. What is Fx? So this vertical distance is known. This is 24 sin 60. Therefore, M0 equals same Fx into perpendicular distance. For vertical force, for horizontal force, vertical is the perpendicular. So 24 sin 60. So M0 is 1200 equals Fx into 24 sin 60. Now Fx equals 1200 divided by 24 sin 60. What is the value of Fx?
57.73.
73 Newton. This is very simple thing. One thing keep in your mind. So you are having O here. You are having clockwise effect. Which type of force required? If you apply this type of force, then only at other end it experiences clockwise. If in case it is anti-clockwise, now which type of force you have to apply at 4 point? That is left side. If you apply this, the lever will bend in reverse direction. The effect is counterclockwise. But you have to observe previous thing. This is purely clockwise. For clockwise effect, which type of force is responsible at far end? That is apply right side, then only the effect is clockwise. So apply the concept, determine effects. This is moment related question, very important question, simple question. The lever shaft is given. The thing is we have to determine using this triangle trigonometric function cos theta sin theta, distance, horizontal distance as well as vertical distance. Only one single force is there. M0, force into perpendicular distance. Force is 100 Newton. Distance we determined, that is 24 cos 60 over clockwise effect. For the same effect, compute vertically. That's all. Thank you.